Hey, hope you all are doing good. I'm on a road trip from North Dakota to Texas, and I didn't really plan on getting any footage for YouTube content, but I did come across a road that I thought was definitely worth sharing. It is a connector from the Reef National Park in southeastern Utah and connects it with Lake Powell. The road is about 55 to 60 miles. A little bit of pavement at the start, but it's mostly sand and gravel. So if you're going to take a car on it, I would caution against that. Definitely check the conditions. There's quite a few washes you need to drive through. They get gouged out quite a bit, and you may leave a little bit of plastic behind. Pickup trucks, SUVs, piece of cake. RVs, I would caution against that as well too. I'd stay out of there, but nonetheless, it's an amazing drive. There's a couple spots along the way towards the bottom third of the trail where you'll see the Powell Canyon off to the east side of the road, so be on your left side. Quite a few places to stop, take some pictures. There's also a spot too where you can get your vehicle, if you've got an off-road vehicle, you can get it up on a rock and take a really sexy photo. I'll caution against that. I don't want to be blamed for anyone dropping their vehicle in the river. Also, this is August right now. There's a ferry down Lake Powell that you can take across, and saves you quite a bit of time. Right now the lake's too low, so it's very seasonal, so check before you go. If not, when you get out to 276, I believe the highway is, you can either hang a left, you can go up around the northeast part of the lake, and if the ferry's on, you can basically take it right down to Bullfrog Landing, take the ferry across the lake. So if you're going to be in the area, check it out. Highly recommend it. It's a lot of fun. It took me about 3.5 hours, but I was horsing around with drones and cameras and stopping, taking pictures and stuff like that. But you should be able to do it in about an hour, hour and a half. Do take lots of water with you though. The 3.5 hours I was on the road, I only met one vehicle. So if you have a breakdown or get stuck, you might be out there for a little while. That's the next truck. Yeah, so check it out. Leave some feedback down below too if you actually have done it before and if I'm missing anything. But there's a couple campsites. Also worth noting too, part of the trail goes through the national park. There is a campground down there, but any dispersed camping is not allowed down there. You get out of the national park, it's a combination between BLM land and privately held land. Just grab a map, make sure you know we're going to camp for the night, and keep yourself out of trouble. So anyway, stay safe, have fun, and happy wheeling. And if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe. We definitely appreciate it. Cheers.
Bye.